Hello, what's up, good people? It's your boy Decent. Yes, I have got some few motivations. Yes, I've got some few motivational things that I think and that I believe that if I tell you, you are going to change your life. So this is 2025. We want to remove the attitude of people just complaining about things, and we want to instill a culture of making action. Yes, whenever I see what's wrong in life, what's wrong, whatever is around everything that might be looking wrong, stop complaining about it and start taking action. Yes, stop complaining about the things that are surrounding you and start taking action. What am I saying about this? Let's say you don't have money. Every day you are crying, guys, I don't have money, I am poor, I don't have all those kind of things. Why is it that this person is having excess? Why aren't you thinking of waking up and trying to find out something that you can do that can put money into your pocket? We want to raise a generation that is a generation of problem solving as compared to a generation of complaining. How are you going to build the country when you are always thinking about the bad things that are happening? How are you going to do that? Why aren't you thinking of building? What are the better opportunities? How can I create opportunities for the people around me? There are a lot of young people around me that are suffering. How can I give them jobs? How can we create businesses? How can we find opportunities that will turn our generation into employable people, into people with jobs, people with employees? Yes, that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. So why aren't you thinking of those things instead of crying? No matter your educational level or your educational background, don't ever think about you can't do it. No, you can do it. You are the person that can do it. If you say I can't do it, so who do you think they are going to do it? Who do you want to leave a room say, no, this belongs to this person? Why? It belongs to you. You are the person. You are the person. Because God has given you an opportunity for you to be alive. It means that God has a plan for you. What is your plan? What is your plan with your life? What is your plan? Stop complaining and start acting. Start making some actions about your life. What is wrong about your life? Yes, take a deep look into my life. Open the books of your life and say, this and this wrong. I really need to work on this. Not trying to spend your time saying, this person did this person did this person is not sending me money, I need money. Yeah, all those kind of things. Why? Start making action. A generation of entrepreneurship, a generation of problem solvers, a generation of people who are making a difference. This is what we want. That's how the country can, the people who have built something long ago before you were born, they looked at the situation whereby it was just ground. Everything that you see right now, it was just ground. There was nothing. Because of those problems that they were there, it led them to think and create some solutions for the existing problems. So this is the mindset that we want to instill in 2025 years. Stay tuned. I'm going to bring you some more things that you really need to do, some more motivation and some more life transforming wisdom that I'm going to share with you. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning into this one. Let's meet in the next one.